अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं आप सब? उम्मीद है आप सब बिल्कुल खैरियत से होंगे। I come up with a review of one book today. The name of this book is Fuel for Life. It is written by Dr. Arshad Ruiz, and it is one of the wonderful book which you have ever read. Why? Because it consists of 3 parts. Part A consists of about the information of power of mind, meditation, auras and chakras. In part 2, there are 60 principles with the action, means whatever the action you need to do on every principle. And part C consists of motivational stories. The motivational stories which will help you to move on in your life. This book is a very nice book. It will be a very good addition in your library. So you can buy it from Mind and Spirit Institute, and that's all. Thank you.